Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I achieved my Senegalese ombre twist. This is definitely beginner friendly because this is the first time I ever did twists in my hair or box braids or anything like that. So if I can do it, you can definitely do it as well. Starting out with parting my hair and actually twisting in the extensions, all that took about 4 hours. I used 2 packs of this pre-stretched hair, and I also used edge control. I didn't show it in the clip there, but you'll definitely need some edge control and rubber bands. So in total, I used 2 packs of this pre-stretched hair. I bought 1 pack in a 1B30 and the other in a number 4. Since this is a protective style, I wanted to make sure that my hair was moisturized. So I'm going to go in with my wild growth oil and my Maui Moisture cream and just make sure that my hair is conditioned. I did blow dry my hair so to make it a bit easier for me, and then after that I would go in with the edge control around the perimeter and then put the rubber bands on each section. I'm making sure to pull some of the back ends of my hair because you don't want it to be too tight where you can't really move your head around. Towards the front, I just pretty much mixed the 2 packs so I can get like an ombre look. What I did to make it easier for me is I took my hair and just wrapped it around one part of the extension hair, and then I would twist those 2 pieces together while I'm still twisting my real hair around the extension hair. I know a lot of people, they like separate their hair into 2 and then kind of twist each section of that part with the extension hair, but for me this was the easiest way and quickest way for me to do it on myself. So hopefully that'll work for you. If you try it, let me know, and let me know if that was easy for you to achieve as well. But that's how I did my entire head. I'm going to show you again on this other section here. I'm just applying edge control to the perimeter of this part. I'm going to go ahead and add my rubber band and then show you how I twisted this section. That is the final look, you guys. Let me know if you're thinking about doing this style. It was really easy for me to do. I was super surprised. 2 packs of the pre-stretched hair, and that was enough for 40 twists throughout my entire head. So I mean, you know, most salons are still closed, so we might as well learn how to do our own hair, right? Go ahead and like this video, share it with a friend, and let me know if you try this style. If you do, please tag me so I can repost you on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, what are you waiting for? It's at Jenny Capri. Go ahead and follow me. So thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.